This video, you are going to be walking away with enough data to use for the day and the month. So without further ado, let's get straight to the details. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to Play Store and we're going to search for Windscribe VPN. And I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video below. So make sure you click on that link and that's going to bring you exactly here, right? I already installed this app and I'm just going to go to my home screen. I'm going to locate the Windscribe VPN. I'm going to click on it and this is going to bring us to the home page of this app. So once we are here, we're just going to go straight away and we're going to click on the Get Started button. So this is going to pull out a form for us to fill in our details. So the first thing is your username. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to write Botek. You can write any name that you like and I'm going to enter my password. Okay, and that is it. And then and now we're going to scroll a little bit down to the email section, and this part is very important. It is optional. You can decide not to enter your email address and you can move ahead. But if you decide to skip this part, that is if you don't want to enter your email address here, you are going to be receiving 2 gig of data every month instead of the 10 gig data. Okay, right. So because of that, it's good for you to enter your email address. Okay, right. So I'm just going to enter my email address here, and now they've just written an important notice just beneath the email button. They want to tell you that this email you're going to enter, in case you've forgotten your password, they can send a reset link. Okay, all right. So no spam at all. So I think the best option for you to do is to enter your email address. Once you are done entering your email address, I'm sure they're going to send a verification link to your inbox. So make sure you go there. So we're going to go there and we're going to verify our email address before it can take effect. So let's move over to our Gmail account and we are going to locate Windscribe message here. Okay, right. So just going to scroll down and we're going to click on confirm email address. Okay, right. Now, and that's it. Our email address has been successfully confirmed. So we can now go back to the Windscribe app. Okay, right. So back here again. Now they've granted us the 10 gig data per month because we've verified our email address. Okay, right. So the next thing you can do is this referral program. I think this part is also important. Okay, because if you refer somebody after signing up for your account, we are actually going to log into our account and we are going to get access to our referral program. That's the link that we can share with friends to be awarded. Okay, right. So if we send the link to somebody who also goes and sign up for an account, they are going to give you 1 gig per month in addition to your 10 gig per month. Okay, so all of you are going to receive 1 gig in addition to your 10 gig. Okay, right. Alright, so having entered all the details that are required, we just go ahead and we're going to click on the continue button. And that is it. We are done creating an account with Windscribe. So the next thing for us to do is to go ahead and tap on the power button at the top right corner here to start using our 10 gig free data. Okay, right. But before we do that, we have to go in and select a server. So depending on where you are located, you can select a server that best works for you over there. Okay, right. So I'm just going to scroll all the way and I'm going to select my preferred server. Okay, so I'll take this one. I'll take this country, Germany. Okay, right. And once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and I'm going to tap on the connect button. That's just going to take some seconds to connect me to the internet, and that is it. You see that Windscribe has connected me to the internet. Okay, right. So your 10 gig of data showing at the bottom left corner here, since I've connected, I've used some of the data. Okay, so it's left with 9 point something. Okay, right. And I've used a lot of VPNs, but I must say that this particular VPN is absolutely exceptional because the internet connectivity is very fast and stable, and it runs smoothly. So you can use it to watch videos, browse the internet, and it's just as comparable to your internet service providers like MTN and the rest. Okay, to demonstrate that, let's get over to YouTube, and I'm going to use this one to watch some videos here, and you will see. Okay, right, so you can see that once I open the YouTube app, everything is loading very fast. So let me look for a video for us to play it and see how fast it is. Okay, all right, so you can see that I don't see any difference between the Windscribe VPN and the internet service providers like MTN, Vodafone, and the rest that we have in Ghana. Okay, right, so it's very amazing. So you can go ahead and try it for yourself. Windscribe is going to send you 10 gig free data every month, and that's for the free plan. Okay, right, so you can decide to, if you want to use more, then you can decide to go for the premium version. Okay, right, so if you can do that, I think you have to click on the menu button here, and you are going to actually come all the way to your account. Okay, so you see you have 10 gig data per month, so you can actually upgrade it. So you can go ahead and upgrade it to the premium version. Let's click on the upgrade, and we see the various options or plans that they have. So they have the pro version, and they have two plans for that. They have the 72 Ghana cedis per month, and they also have the 640 Ghana cedis per year. And these are the benefits. If you go for the pro version, you have unlimited data, and let's see what that means. What it means is that pretty self-explanatory. Use as much as bandwidth you like. So with the pro version, you are not limited. You can use as any amount that you like. Okay, and all locations. So what that means is that you can get access to servers in over 60 countries and 110 data centers. I think that the speed is going to increase even more if you go for the pro version. You see that, and other benefits. So I think if you want to go for per month, then you can go for the 72 Ghana cedis. But if you just want to pay once for the whole year, let's say 640 Ghana cedis, and then you have no problem to worry about data again for the whole year, then I think that it's good for you to go for the 640. Yeah, I talked about the referral program. I think they have that one. So they have it here, refer for data. Okay, and what that means is that when you share Windscribe with a friend, you will both get 1 gig per month when they sign up. And if they go pro, you will also go pro. Wow, this one is so amazing. If you share the link to your friend and they sign up, just signing up on the free version, then you are going to get 1 gig in addition to your 10 gig per month, all of you, the two of you. But if that's your friend, maybe at the time decide to go pro, that's to buy Windscribe for a month or a year, do you know what is going to also happen to you? Let's say if you were using the free account and your friend, you've referred a friend, and the friend goes for the pro account,